Hello, sir, ma'am. This is Team Cyber Channels. Problem statement ID 25127 and problem statement title Student Innovation. And the theme is the blockchain and cybersecurity. Here, the problem is in traditional donation systems, transparency was the major issues. Like if someone donated their money, they can't know that how their money is used and who are the actual consumers of that money. In this case, the organizations can misuse the money because there will not be any valid proof of that how their money is used and who are the actual consumers. So these are the major problems which the people are facing. So considering this problem, we decided best solution which is based on the blockchain. Like blockchain focuses on the distributed ledger technology, which has a concept of peer-to-peer networking. It means like everything will be open and transparent. So anyone who is donating money, they can see at who donated and how much amount they donated and who are the actual consumers of the money. This platform will provide the complete transparency, security, accountability, and every donation will be recorded on the blockchains, which will be immutable and verifiable. Immutable means there will not be any change after that is recorded on the blocks, and donors will also be able to track their money in real time. If I talk about its technical approaches, so here is the sequence diagram of the workflow of the project is mentioned, in which the owner of the NGO and the person who wants to donate both will be connected through the same digital wallet that can be MetaMask or Phantom or any other, and all the transactions will be held through the smart contracts. If I talk about the technologies which will be used that for the blockchain, Ethereum and Polygon. Ethereum and Polygons, which will help and support the smart contracts, and smart contracts will be written in the Solidity programming. And for the web development, we will use the React.js plus Ether.js for backend Node.js, and for good scalability, we can use the MongoDB. And for storage, we will use the implementary file system or IPFS for receipt and proof. The next slide is the feasibility and viability. So this project will be completely feasible. So if I talk about its technical feasibility, like here we are using the Ethereum Polygon, smart contracts, MetaMask, IPFS, which are the rapidly available and open source. For operational, there is the only simple UI needed. In the economic, everything are the open source, so there will be very low transaction fees on the test nets, and everything must follow the KYC and charity regulations. So this will be legal. If we talk about the viability, so transparency is the major problems in the traditional donation systems. So it will improve transparency and also build the trust. It will be scalable and sustainable. These are the impact and benefits of the project. Like it will build a trust, transparency among the donors and receivers. Also, it will prevent fraud with immutable records and automate fund transfer via smart contracts. It will enable global and borderless donations, provide real-time tracking of the funds, and it will also boost the donors' confidence and satisfaction. These are the some research and references. Like first one is the Ethereum white paper, which was the foundational documents based on the Ethereum, which supports the blockchains, which is released in 2033. We took reference from here, and Blockchain Revolution was the book which was released in 2016. We also took help from that. And the next one is Binance Charity Foundations, which on which we did a real case study. And for references, we took reference from UNICEF Innovations Funds, MIT Media Lab reports, which are the blockchain's application in the governance and charity, and the Charity Water pilot project using blockchain for donation tracking. So we took the references from this. That's all about the project. I hope I was able to understand you the concepts, the problems, and the solutions, and the technical approaches which I mentioned. Hope you understood the concept. That's all. Thank you so much.